you need to highlight your chart with the titles, okay? Oftentimes you can right click in Excel. We're gonna go ahead and do insert after you've highlighted everything, chart, and we want a scatter plot. If it doesn't show a scatter plot, go to change chart type so it shows a scatter plot. And you can move it around. Okay, number of repairs versus oil changes. It went ahead and made my title for me because of the way I set it up, but if not, you could add a title. Okay, you're going to need number of oil changes here and cost of repairs here, right? So you may have to click on it and change those things. I'm going to go to my chart. Okay, and you can play with your mins and your maxes, scale it. I wish that it had ones in here so you could see the one, but I'm sure there's a way you could go in and play with that. But you can see your chart, oh, grid lines and ticks. There we go. Let's see if that'll help. Nope. That's too much O for the minor. Yeah, that's not super helpful. Anyway, you can play with it how you want it. Does that make sense? I want to do my vertical axis or my horizontal and make it have one every one. That's better for me. Okay, so whatever you want, you guys see what I've done there? Okay, so there is your thing. Now looking at it, it says make a scatter plot of the points in Excel and include with your lab, include a title and label axes. Okay, so you can play through there to do that. What is the correlation, guys? You should be able to tell. Now it wants the equation of the line of best fit. So you're going to click on the data points. And I always have to go in here and play with this. It is, go to setup. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. Dang it. One sec. This is why I like Excel. Let me find it real quick. We're looking for regression. And let's see if we can find it. I haven't done it. Okay, here we go. So under chart and axis titles, okay, once you've clicked your data, scroll down and we want trend line, okay, linear. So there's our line of best fit. And we want it to show R and R squared. It'll show R squared. You can find R by taking the square root. And let's see data labels as well. I don't care about data labels. I want the equation. We want to use the equation. So I have the equation and the R squared. Anybody not able to get that? So, okay, what is it doing? Okay, I'm going to do that one more time for the video. Okay, so click your data points. Right click, go to chart area or chart style. Okay, go to setup or customize. We'll go to customize. Go down to series. Under customize, you want to click trend line. Make sure it's linear, that you use the equation and show R squared. There's your R squared. Okay, there's your equation right there. Everything you need, you can print this off. You will have to print this off and turn it in. And you'll use it to answer then all of these questions. Okay, is a correlation. Find the line of best fit. We just did that. List the R and the R squared and interpret. Well, you have interpretation sentences for those right here, right? Here's your interpretation of R squared. Here's your interpretation of R. So how to do it is all there, okay? Interpret the slope, we've done that, okay? Use your line of best fit to predict. Plug something in and you'll be done. I've done the hard part for you. You will need to print it and upload all of it into Canvas. Any questions? And it has a deadline on it already, I think.